Okay.
Hey, hello guys, nice to have you here. My name is Nicholas. I'm gonna be our agile customer for the education learning project. My roles involve to represent the end customers. So in this case, it's gonna be the corporate trainings, HR managers. I will try to work close with you guys to meet all the requirements and specification we're gonna have. So I will pass to my friend Glider to introduce yourself. Go ahead,
All
please.
right. So, hi, I'm Gleiser. I'm the developer of the Educational Learn project. My role involves coding the platform based on the requirements and feedback provided by our Agile customer. I focus on creating a user-friendly interface, ensuring a smooth integration of online courses, and implementing features that facilitates effective insight training. So my goal is to turn our agile customers' vision into a functional, efficient educational platform. All right.
Perfect. So, Mahid, can you introduce yourself, please?
Hi, my name is excellent. Hi. Yeah, so one moment. Hi, I'm Mahdi and I'm a developer on the Educational Learn project. My role involves testing the platform based on the requirements and feedback provided by our agile customers. I focus on creating a user-friendly interface, ensuring smooth integration of online courses, and implementing features that facilitate effective insight training. My goal is to turn our agile customers' vision into a functional and efficient educational platform. Yep. Then the next guy.
Hi everyone, my name is Hosna Bakshi and I'm responsible for designing of this platform as a developer. And my goal is to design a best front end for this project, so the end user will be using will have a user friendly platform to use and to be integrated smoothly with other programs or the trainings.
Perfect. So the goal of this meeting is for us to create the user roles. And for start, I believe we should do a brainstorm. So everyone have your listed open. You can create using the box, create as many roles and users you can imagine, so we can discuss later. So I'll give you guys a few time and let me know when you guys finish. I will help you as well.
So I have the new hires. Let me put it here.
No, I didn't really go through the each centennial stuff about user role modeling, so I'm not like 100% sure what we're doing right now.
Don't worry, that's not a problem. We can put it and we can discuss and help you later. But the goal is just to share the thoughts. So you can place all the users or roles you think the system is going to have.
Yeah, you can think as a developer, like anything comes in
Anything,
your mind, just write it down there. Then we can, it's like brainstorming, like anything.
Yes.
Okay. So mine is over here. Just okay.
Wait, guys, is my screen still sharing?
Yes.
Okay.
So if you guys want, you also can, share your thoughts. I'll put a few here. So I put professors, training teams from our company, sales teams for our company, developers, HR, CEO, employees, managers, training. I saw you guys put quality assurance. Yeah, that's a good one.
Quality assurance specialist, content developer.
Yeah.
I'm actually like watching the video. That's any Sentinel.
Okay. Customer support representative. So I think customer support representative. How about that?
That's a good one.
Maybe software testing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me put that for you. You
Is
see.
that?
For
Sure about that. Okay.
Okay.
How about
Analysis, like a person who analysis or do the report.
Yeah. Report
How about-
users.
Yeah.
how about government agencies, guys?
Yes, that's true.
Analysis specialist, right?
Yep.
Database.
Yeah.
Database administrator.
Our database. Yeah. Yeah. Database admin. We have one.
Oh, okay.
Wow. There's a lot brainstorming here.
Yeah. So let me think another one so we can put it on.
Can you a little bit zoom in
Okay.
the screen, please? So I'm done with brainstorming.
Yeah, so that's not a problem. So what about Maji and Glider? Do you guys have any other ideas? So
Oh, got to contact developers. It's gonna be
How about like this user? Like user, the people who actually
use it. Yeah.
give the feedback. I mean, there's
Sure.
report users, but not users themselves.
You mean the employees?
No, because someone needs to give feedback, right?
okay,
Mhm.
so let's just put it here and we can discuss later so we don't forget. So feedbacker.
Okay, no, I don't know. Yeah, like someone who can.
No, don't worry. Yeah.
Feedback.
Just let it put it here.
Looks
Yeah,
nice.
I don't have any other ideas, but
I'm pretty sure there's a word like I can't remember. Can't remember it.
and don't worry, we use feedbacker as a placeholder for now, and later we find out the word and change. So perfect. I think.
Trainees. Oh, it's new hires. It's okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I think this is all right.
For me too. I am done with the brainstorming. We can go
Yeah.
to the next step.
Yeah. Perfect.
So the next step would be organizing everything. Let me I mean, it's like compiling them on one, categorizing it.
Mhm.
Like for this one, new hires and employees.
Yeah,
Right?
these are
It could be,
overlapping.
yeah, this could be our actually users, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
I think new hires, employees, they're gonna be the same because
And trainers.
trainers. I
No,
wouldn't
no, I
say
mean,
so.
Oh no, trainers. Yep.
Yeah, and I think like feedbacker and software testing would be the same, right? Because they
Okay.
both test the system.
Yeah,
And
so
professors, trainers would be the same.
so let me make room here. Can you zoom out later so we can? Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, perfect. So let's create this one. This. Okay, so let's move it this one here. So we can put in this first block. Let's call it common users and put everything here inside what you think is a regular user. So for instance, employee, new hire. Okay, I just move that to the back. Perfect. So let's see if you have others that falls under the same category. So
See.
Yeah, that's it. Employees and new hires only.
yeah, I think they are the only let's
Yeah.
say
And
common
I think
users.
it should not be it should not be the same. I
You
think it
don't
should
say?
not be the same.
How about
I mean,
HR, CEO, managers?
it's
Are
like
they
on
the same?
our admins.
Oh,
Mhm. But for
I mean,
instance,
I
HR
mean
would
for I mean
yes, sorry.
for a manager, he can give out modules to his employees, right?
Yes,
And for the HR too, maybe there's some
yeah.
yes, but
what do you call
HR,
this?
but I've
Yeah,
been
for the admin.
yes, I believe HR. In a level perspective, we can have HR. On the top would be admin, so admin can do everything on the system. HR, I think it's gonna be below the admin. It's not an admin level, so we cannot, let's say, the leads,
Yeah,
but can create users, can create managers, can assign work for training for employees and managers, and
yeah,
manager only can assign training for employees. So in
yeah,
a
yeah.
Right.
hierarchy,
Or they can propose like trainings, which
yes,
trainings are required for which employees.
yeah, let's
Yeah.
just say down another one, and let's call it admin. Sorry, admin. Hi, this word is hi. Or sorry for the misspelling, pretty sure it's wrong, but first it's gonna be admin. Below admin is gonna be HR. I just send that to the back. Where is it? Send to the back. Okay, thank you. Managers, yes.
And CEO and manager, they are the same overlapping.
Uh,
Uh,
it could be, but I believe a CEO user would be more interesting in a report session, maybe. What do you guys think? I don't think a CEO will be busy or have free time to go user by user assign training, or maybe
Yeah.
a CEO could do like a training specifically for him, like a public speech training or how to do interviews. But
Mm-hmm.
he will not be interested in
Admin.
giving an employee a training course. He would like to see maybe the overall of the company, how the training are going, if the training he paid for or the training he was like sponsoring to become true was effective or not. So I feel maybe would close be close to report users. So maybe like a CEO could have all the reports, and report users may have some restrictions. I don't know. What do you guys think?
yeah.
Okay, so
And
How about
then
this
we can,
branch manager?
yeah,
yeah,
branch
I put
manager also comes the
yeah,
same category.
I think
It's the same level as the branch. I'm the manager.
uh, mm, I was thinking, help me out here, but I was thinking like maybe for a bank that have so many branches, maybe you have the manager, but you have the branch manager above him. So
Yeah, it
maybe
will be in the same category. Yeah, you can
yeah,
put it in this, yeah, the same box.
here,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, they will be related.
mostly
Yeah,
related to each other.
yeah, same level. Yeah. Okay, so let's create
And
another
then
box.
another box for
For
What
the
if
training
developer side.
modules.
yeah, training module. Okay, so trainings is gonna be here. Yeah. What else do you guys think is gonna be here?
Okay, so this is an educational platform, right? So shouldn't there be teachers and students?
Training
It's,
I
team.
mean, for the students, it's our employees and new
yes.
hires.
It's an educational platform for a specific thing, or like
If
general.
it's general, so there's not a topic in mind, so it's not just math or just, let's say, science, but it's for the company to create and post their content. So the employee is going to be the target users, so they're going to be the ones consuming the trainings. And let's say a company wants to do a training of I don't know, a compliance, maybe how to use social media, so they can, in a secret way, so they can create a training for the employees to do.
Okay, but the person who actually creates the training, what
Yeah.
should we call them? The person who actually teaches.
Yeah, so we have a box here right now called trainers.
Yeah, okay.
So we have also professors. I think, let me just move this. I think training and professor in our system are the same. What do you guys think?
They should be the same. We can, or even the training team is the same.
Oh, and content developers
Yeah,
are also the same.
the same.
So we don't have another, all of these roles perform the same. Do you guys agree with that? Let's see. So when you said about people who give feedback, you were thinking about professor, my dear?
Yeah. Yeah, I think this is plenty. This is a lot.
Let's put it here. So right now, let's create another box.
Oh,
And this
Maybe
one's
put
gonna,
it on the top of one of those boxes because it's getting so small.
let me just put it down here. So
Yeah, this would be neater.
report. Perfect, thank you. Better. So for report users, that's all we have here, like where is CEO, as we discussed before. With CEO would have a profile able to see different reports and how things are going.
Like how many employees done the modules, right?
Yes. Like the CEO maybe could see the performance if
Oh,
there, if it has a quiz, or how many employees are in that course, how many employees are attending the course. So there's many possibilities.
Okay.
I
How
think
about the report users? Are they the same?
Maybe.
Analyze specialists, because they also need the report to do analysis, or they are generating the report.
Maybe report users. I was thinking about maybe an HR user that also wants to see.
I don't think we need CEO. I mean, there's manager, admin,
Sorry?
HR. Like, there's already CEO feels extra
Where? Sorry, I can do it.
in report.
So just CEO.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's remove this one. And also, you just create another box. Move it here. Okay, sorry. Also, we have a few sales, like sales team, quality assurance, process, government here. So I was thinking that box being sales. So when you want to sell our product, we also have to have users with different roles to do that. So I put it here, sales. What do you guys think? You think it's valid enough or no?
What do you mean by sales team? It means I didn't get this part.
Yeah.
The-
What do you mean sales? I
The
thought it was.
person that's gonna sell the project. So
I thought it was.
So this should be from the developer side team, right? Not from the stakeholders.
Okay, but I thought this was something that was going to be used to train employees, right? So why are we selling this? Like, sorry, maybe I missed something.
No,
yes,
there should be a tail marketing person, but for example, who is going to find the stakeholders? So the sales group, they're going to talk with the companies, organizations, like about the platform, about the proposal, then, or
Oh, yeah, good. Okay.
Okay, so
Yes,
we're
you can
back.
continue, guys.
So we have left a few users to cluster together. And do you guys, I believe you need to have a IT role, so a general. So for instance, I believe developer and database admin, software team test, they should have,
life specialists.
yes, quality assurance. I believe customer support as well. I believe they should have their own box.
Customer support.
I'll call it IT for now. So
Customer.
all they have power to, let me just send it back.
To lead the software team.
Yeah.
I think customer support should come in this part as well.
Yes, because I was saying on the system, let's say I'm a developer and you are customer support. So we should be able to go there and maybe modify or recreate a training. So I believe in a system point of view, they might have the same privileges. Not internally, like a developer has way more power or a database admin has way more power, but on their tools, not on the system. I think in the system, they can have like an admin profile, but with less restriction. So for access other clients, for example, so customer servers, the person has the power to connect to different clients. And admin from
like the chatbot. It can be
Yes.
like live chatbot or
Yes.
we can hear also. Okay. Yeah.
You know,
got it.
maybe to try recreate a user, reset passwords,
Yeah.
do these kind of things. A developer should also be able to do the same things as a customer support because let's say the developer is training or creating a new environment for a client. So he is able to go there, create users to test. Same for quality assurance. That's going to work in the same project with the developer.
Right. Government agencies.
I think this one is out.
I mean, for the government agencies, I think it should be in the training modules because what if a government offered a course, right?
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's
So
helpful. We can put it there.
Yeah. We have two more left. There, one is process. Duplicate. I think process. I don't know.
I think analyze spatial list.
Mm-hmm.
The same as a report.
Could be on the report group. Yeah.
And the report, yeah.
it's like data.
He's working with both
Data analyst.
developers team and the customers end.
Okay.
Kind of analysis all the data for both sides.
Yeah, it's for the reports, right?
Right.
Perfect.
And process, I
process.
didn't get what this one means.
Yeah. Neither do I.
Database admin could be in report, maybe.
Database admin.
Yeah. He keeps track of
No,
all the
it
data.
is coming before reporting.
Yeah. So just put it here. So yeah, I think the only one that I can fit in any of these boxes is a process. But if you guys can see anything, maybe like a on IT, I don't know who put this, but it could be like, automatic process to send a reminder, to send an email. So maybe it's an IT user.
Get rid of that. What does process mean?
Yeah, I mean, we can edit it out if
Yeah.
we can.
Yeah, you can remove if you guys
Yeah.
don't think that this one fits in any, or you don't
Yeah.
see as a user, you can remove. That's not a problem. Let me just do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So now,
yeah, so now we closer and we separate the users. So we just have to exclude or come up with a better name for the users that do the same. So employees and new hires, they're gonna have the same profile. So we
just employees would be enough.
Yeah.
All of them comes
No.
under employees.
Yeah, let's do that.
wait,
So,
no, I think there should be new hires because let's say for new hires, there's a different modules for new hires. And
but
employees can get all of the modules for like the trainings.
that's true. But on a system perspective, they're gonna have more or less access than a Hagor employee. Both are Hagor employees. Like I'm an employee, so I'm before the new hire. So new hire comes in, he is gonna have to do like a 2 or 3 trainings to get used to it. But it's just it's just a matter of how you send out the training.
Yeah. Okay.
In the end, they're the
Okay.
same.
Yeah. Okay.
On the admin hierarchy, we have admin. So we're gonna have a admin profile on the system, maybe 1 person in the company or 2 person in the company. They will have all the powers to create, to delete, to modify, to block users, unlock users. Then just below that, we place HR. That's gonna have powers to create users, to assign users, and all of that. And then we're gonna have managers. Manager is under HR because managers just gonna have, let's say, power or privilege to assign training for their employees. And branch managers, I think it could be the same.
It's the same. I think we
so-
don't need branch managers.
Yeah, I just remove that. On the training category, we have trainers, professor, training team from our company, content developer, feedback. For me, the only two profiles that I see here that they're different is trainers and government agencies. So training professor, training content developers, and feedbacker, I think they all are the same.
Yeah.
Do you guys agree on that?
I agree.
Yeah.
Sure.
So let's just remove that. From sales, we have sales team and marketing. So
Marketing team and sales team is the same. We just put marketing team. Sounds good for.
marketing, okay. Do you agree, guys?
Yeah. They
I mean-
both sound similar.
Sounds similar. Or maybe you can put underneath
We
it,
can
or
just put like that, yeah. I
right?
think for the rest we should do like that because it was brainstorming. I don't know.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Let's put it like this. I think sales teams. Let me do that. Let me share my vision with you guys. I think sales teams is gonna be users that are gonna try to sell the system, so they have, they are able to create, to do everything and present. And marketing team, I don't know. I truly believe it goes under, but I don't think we need like a specific profile. I think everything falls under sales.
From the sales. Okay.
Yeah, even yeah.
Okay.
Let's remove. So for report, you're gonna have a different view for CEO. So the CEO is gonna be able to see the reports and check the performance, the achievements, all the milestones for the users from everything. So CEO is gonna have the privilege to look everything, but just look. He's not going to edit or change like the percentage of a employee have done in that
Can't
course.
make the report, something like that.
Yeah. And maybe analysis specialist. I think it goes under CEO because it's gonna have a privilege to look, but maybe not all the data. So if the CEO, let's say, maybe there's some private information here, so they're gonna have a less privilege than CEO. What do you guys think?
Yeah, makes sense.
Makes sense.
And here we cluster the IT. We have software testing, developers, quality assurance, database admin, customer representatives. I believe we could have.
Testers. Okay.
No, go ahead, please.
I mean, testers and QA are kind of the same. Or
I think so.
underneath. Oh yeah.
So I
Underneath.
think we can remove one. Each one you guys want to rename. You guys prefer quality assurance? Whole testing.
I prefer that. It depends on others. Yeah, others are open too.
Yeah, so we're gonna have this one. We have developers, database admin. This one, these two, I think they are the same.
Yeah, developers can be database admin.
Yes, and vice versa. So database admin can,
I think database is good term because developers is like a general term for that. Database is more specific.
We like IT support is good enough, right?
Yeah,
IT support, it's all encompassing.
Yeah, I would say that. Maybe I think just like put like this. So maybe is better.
Or is at the last before customer.
Yeah.
Because it should be.
So developers or maybe database admin, they're the same. We can choose after which one you're gonna choose.
Yeah,
but they have the power to delete data, to create data, modify data. And customer support representative can have some level of that, but not all. So I think we have like a developer role, so that person can go and modify everything and customer support representative may have less power, so we cannot delete a training, but maybe can rename the training. What do you guys think?
Yeah, customer support like someone in between the customer and the developer team. For example, they're responsible for if the username, if they change, like if you forget the username. So for example, developer will code, like if they forget the user, like code, then the customer support has access to change the username or if they forget the password, like provide them help with how to change their password. So something like that.
So the hierarchy would be like this. So
I was actually thinking something. Developers aren't going to like use the software. They're making the software, right?
Right.
Yes.
How can they be like a user? They're creating it. They don't plan on.
Maybe to fix a bug.
Yeah, but
go and
Right.
look.
That's okay. But at the end of the day, they don't plan on using it. You know what I mean? Like they're making it.
But they're giving support. So let's say you create a training, and for somehow there is a problem, maybe on the video, maybe in the text, and the common user cannot go there and fix it. So in order to see and maybe replicate the bug, the developer has to have access to the system to go there and check for itself.
Right.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Okay. And have quality assurance. I think quality assurance could have the same profile. The only difference maybe is gonna be just for on the test. So let's put under. So quality assurance you're gonna test on in test environment. So you're gonna have other parts of customer representative, but not in production. So it would be something like this.
Okay.
You guys agree? So which one names you guys prefer? Database admin or developers?
I mean, either is fine.
Fine. So let's
Developer.
Yeah, let's go developer. Oh, perfect. So I think we create all the roles and also the hierarchy we need for this session. Thank you very much for the help, guys. I hope you can see next time together.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Bye.
Yeah, okay.
Until next time.
Okay.
Bye.
Wait.